Right guys, I'm back. Sorry, that's how much I've used. Hang on, let's put it down. That much. You can see. Let's go around this side. That's how much I've used. £2 in there. Chuck it in there, fill it with water, or do what I do. Grass clippings in there, soak it for a week. I've got to mix that around actually. Yeah, what do I think about this mower? Not too bad, not too shabby. I cut the grass twice this week with it. Well, front and back. So that's 4 times. I wasn't really happy with the cut, so I sharpened it. It's not bad. Only thing it didn't come with the mulching because it's still out of stock. That's the blade. Where I sharpened it. It's not bad. It's a 41cm. I'll put the link down below. Yeah, not bad. Press button. Press button. Pull. Not too shabby. So yeah. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And like the video if you like it. Or even press the dislike. Share the video. Oh look, this has got a worm. I must have chucked on there earlier. The grass seeds coming on along. The grass seed in the trays are coming on quite well. If I can, I'll do a video over the weekend. Today's the 17th of June. It's around 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. ish. Maybe a bit later. So I shall update that over the weekend. They're going quite well. Some are, some not. But hey. Okay guys, I'm off now. I'm gonna have something to eat. Hope you're enjoying the weather in the UK. Leave a comment down below. See what you think. Tell me what you think of the lawn. How it's come along since the 24th of May. Cheers. Bye.